How to withdraw your money from the Sweatcoin. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can withdraw your money from the Sweatcoin. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your Sweatcoin, and here in the top right corner there is the balance icon. You just have to tap on it, and from here, as you can see, that here is all of your spent sweat coins. You have free offers, and there is the many more options. Now how you can use this balance and withdraw it? What you have to do is simply go in your my shop, and you have to keep in mind that this app doesn't give you any option to withdraw your sweat coin straight into your cash. So as you can see that there is many physical and the digital products, so you can use these coins by adding these sweat coins. So you are not able to withdraw your money from your sweat coins, but you can use into your physical and these digital products to buy them. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.